good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I'm here in wonderful Fuerteventura and we're at the Hotel Arena. We're experiencing it and up to now it's nice. It's decent. Let you guys see what it looks like. Hey everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, today's our last day in our hotel. It looks a hot mess up in here, but it's okay. We're leaving, but it's okay. We'll still be on the island for another almost 2 weeks. 10 days or something like that. So yes, the show must go on, unfortunately, but it was a nice stay at the hotel, I must say. I find that the staff is really nice. So in case you're looking for a hotel in Corralejo in a beautiful beach area, then I could definitely recommend Hotel Arena. I would give it like between like a 3 and 4 star. Okay, 4 star. It's not actually what I'm not used to this. I like a little bit more quality, but in general, it's a nice hotel. Like I said, the people are nice and, yeah, yeah. God, it's like a suite. It is a suite. It's considered a suite, so, yeah. Nice view. The buffet. The food is all included. You get morning, lunch, and dinner. Unfortunately, we didn't do so much the lunch and dinner, but the breakfasts are definitely good. Yeah, highly recommend it. So, yes. Anywho, the show must go on.